You can pay using cash or a credit card. You can pay using cash or a credit card.
Please kindly like and subscribe our channel. I am attending the conference next week. I am attending the conference next week.
The advent of CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool, has brought to the forefront.
The Hubble Space Telescope expands our cosmic knowledge.
Associated with editing the human genome, with a particular focus on the inheritance of genetic traits and the long-term consequences for humanity.
The Hubble Space Telescope expands our cosmic knowledge.
About the inheritance of genetic traits, while it offers the potential to eliminate debilitating genetic disorders, it also raises concerns about permanence.
The tutorial is held on the 8th of April.
The moral duty to balance therapeutic benefits with ethical implications becomes paramount. Historical precedents to contextualize the ethical debates surrounding germline.
The tutorial is held on the 8th of April.
In the realm of scientific advancement, to draw parallels with the ethical discussions
and implement sustainable land use practices. Additionally,
Most teaching staff make their lecture notes available online.
the ethical evaluation of germline entities have been approached from various ethical frameworks, including utilitarian, deontological, and virtual.
Most teaching staff make their lecture notes available online.
Dilemmas of germline editing can be assessed. Additionally, international efforts to establish germline editing seek to create a global understanding.
The professor assigned a challenging research project.
In conclusion, the moral dilemmas of human germline editing represent an ongoing and important discourse in the scientific and
climate can disrupt planting and harvesting seasons.
The professor assigned a challenging research project.
human health. They also introduce ethical complexities that demand careful consideration and responsible scientific exploration. The ethical dialogue surrounding
This paper provides a detailed framework for future research.
genetic alteration
This paper provides a detailed framework for future research.
Traditional pest control measures may become less effective. Farmers often face the dilemma of having to use more chemical pesticides, which can have detrimental effects.
Ethical considerations were paramount in designing the study. Ethical considerations were paramount in designing the study.
At that time, people moved from towns to villages. At that time, people moved from towns to villages.
She explained it quite clearly earlier. She explained it quite clearly earlier.
Media also plays a pivotal role in crisis communications. During natural disasters, pandemics, or emergencies, media outlets provide crucial information to the public. Their ability to... The biologist's research uncovers novel genetic pathways and cellular development. The biologist's research uncovers novel genetic pathways and cellular development.
Public speaking skills can be developed with practice. Public speaking skills can be developed with practice.
The periodic table organizes chemical elements. The periodic table organizes chemical elements. Ancient Egypt left behind remarkable monuments. Ancient Egypt left behind remarkable monuments. The professor provided guidance on data collection. The professor provided guidance on data collection.
Volcanoes can erupt with little warning. Volcanoes can erupt with little warning.
He studies and observes the behavior of babies, and has written many articles about it. He studies and observes the behavior of babies, and has written many articles about it. Biased reporting can lead to polarization, as individuals tend to consume news that aligns with their pre-existing beliefs, deepening ideological division.
Results will be available in many courts and online. Results will be available in many courts and online. The prospect of living in a city does not appeal to me.
The prospect of living in a city does not appeal to me.
The Society of Professional Journalists Code of Ethics emphasizes the importance of complex and dynamic process.
She will talk on the issues she cares passionately about, including education and nursery care.
In this essay, we will explore the mechanisms and significance of public opinion shaping. Public opinion is often seen as a barometer of public sentiment.
She will talk on the issues she cares passionately about, including education and nursery care.
Can you help me with coding qualitative data?
However, shaping public opinion is a multifaceted task that involves several stages and processes. The media is a powerful instrument for shaping public opinion.
Can you help me with coding qualitative data?
I have a question about the research process. I have a question about the research process.
Statistical analysis revealed significant correlations among the variables. Statistical analysis revealed significant correlations among the variables.
She conducted a factor analysis of the data. She conducted a factor analysis of the data.
Chemistry explores the properties of matter. Chemistry explores the properties of matter.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and boost your English score.